John and his wife both invested their vacation money into a savings account. John invested into his account, paying 8% interest. His wife invested twice as much into an account paying 7% interest. Together they earned $712.80 in interest after the first year. How much did each of them invest? So for this word problem, this investment problem, we don't know how much money was invested to begin with. We have John's money plus his wife's money is the total money invested. If we continue with that, we know that John's money and his wife's money, but his wife's money was twice as much as John's. So we call that a 2J, and that's the total amount invested. Well, that equation doesn't do us a whole lot of good. Let's look at the second equation that involves values. John's money was invested at 8%. So we have 8% times John's money, and his wife's money was invested in an account paying 7%. So 7%, and what she invested was twice as much as John. Now that I have this interest, I want to include 7% interest, the amount found in interest. That would be our $712.80. To clear the percent sign from the problem, we can multiply both sides of the equation by 100. It's important to keep the balance and make sure you multiply both sides. So this 100 times that 8% will make the percent sign go away. So we have 8J, and 100 times the 7% is 7, times 2 is 14J, is equal to 71,280. Combining like terms, 22J is equal to 71,280. To get J alone, we need to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 22 since it's being multiplied. So we get that J is equal to 3,240. John invested $3,240 at an 8% annual interest rate, and his wife invested twice as much money, which is $6,480.